That is 4 pints of cherry tomatoes. Now I'm coming in with 2 cans of butter beans. Coming in with a little bit of salt. Can't have tomatoes without salt. It just brings out the sweats in them. Now I've got some olive oil. We're gonna drizzle, 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 drizzle this all in here. We got a good amount of tomatoes. Now I'm gonna use a little touch of onion powder. We're making a super simple recipe today. Now I have some harissa seasoning. I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of this. We've got, you know, a good amount of stuff in our pot here. And let me just tell you, harissa seasoning is organic paprika, caraway, chili powder, cayenne, coriander, cumin, garlic, and peppermint. So if you can make this into a paste, you can just gather all those spices from your pantry, or you could buy the harissa just like this. All right, now I have some beautiful large garlic cloves here. And let me show you this extremely fun little thing I have. They might, look at this. She's a vampire. Is spooky seasoning, so I had to, spooky season, so I had to get our, look at, that's perfect. There we go. I just overloaded him. This is excellent. Easy to do. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna crush the rest. I'm just gonna put them straight in here. That's a whole head of garlic. You can leave it intact if you want, but I was just, you know, I was cutting it to keep it intact and roast it in the center there, but then unfortunately it all came apart. So I peeled them and put them like this. But I'm very excited. We've got that harissa in here, that olive oil, cherry tomatoes, our butter beans, and this is gonna be so simple. That looks pretty good there. What do you think, Marty?
Looks good to me.
Alrighty, I'm popping this into my oven at 375 for 45 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. I had this cooking in my oven for about 45 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is give everything a good stir. Look at these tomatoes are just, they are perfect. They're just starting to like burst all up, which is exactly what we want. I'm just gonna help them out just a little tiny bit. Some of them have got that, what's that called when their skin gets wrinkly? That's what we like to see. Yeah, this looks so good. Now I am gonna add just like one more thing to this, but I'm gonna tell you, you can do this multiple ways. So this could be a really great appetizer that you could dip bread into, like a bruschetta, but also you can make this as a main course for your dinner, and we are gonna show you how right after I get some of these tomatoes a little bit more broken up. All right, now that we've got everything well combined here, I'm coming in with some burrata cheese. It comes in these beautiful ball shapes, and I'm gonna leave them intact right now. And I'm just gonna pop this back in the oven for 2 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we had our burrata in the oven with everything for just about 2 minutes now. What I'm gonna do, break that up. Look at this gorgeous creaminess. This is gonna mix in with our butter beans, with our tomatoes, all that garlic that's in here. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. Now you can serve this one of 2 ways. You could just leave it in the center of the table when you're having a dinner party. This makes a great appetizer, and you can let people dip their bread in or grab some onto their plate to dip their bread in from their own plate. Or you can be like me and choose to have this for dinner and serve it with some pasta. I've just got my rotini here. Ooh, look at that burrata just melting into this delicious concoction. We've got those wonderful harissa spices. Y'all, this is gonna be delicious. I am so excited. What an easy dinner. You know, no processed ingredients except maybe olive oil and spices. I know sometimes people say, I've never cooked with a fresh ingredient in my life. Well, this is an easy one for you to have be your first one. Alrighty. Ooh, Can't wait to get a big heaping bowl full of this. That looks so good. Ooh, I got a little burrata tail. I just know how soothing this is gonna be. Oh my God. This is amazing. Y'all, so easy, so good. You gotta try it.